Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be unboxing the iPad Air Gen 5. Now it's crazy to think that they had the M1 chip in the MacBook Pro and MacBook Air in 2020, and almost 2 years later they're bringing that same chip into an iPad. For me, it's mind-blowing to think that that same power is inside the form factor of a tablet. Let's get into the unboxing. Now in the box, we've got the iPad itself, and here it is in the space gray colorway. You also have a USB-C cable and a charging brick. Here's also the stickers and specific documentation. The one I have here is the space gray 64GB and strictly Wi-Fi version. I opted for the 64GB because I'm not really concerned about the size, because most of my edited content will go on an SSD, and with the USB-C port on the iPad Air, I'll be able to do that easily. Now my first impressions, it's bigger than how it looked like in store, and it's slightly big for one-handed use, at least for me. And the space gray colorway is pretty muted, but it doesn't matter since I'll be putting a case on it. Now speaking about cases and accessories, I did purchase a few add-ons that I thought I'd need. I got a tempered glass screen protector. I opted out of the matte or paper finish. I also got a foil case to prop it up and add some added protection when I put it in my bag or carry it around. Lastly, I got a stylus, and no, this is not an iPad pencil. It's a knockoff brand, but I'm really excited to see how it will perform. The iPad Air will mostly be used as my sidecar machine when I bring my MacBook on the go. I'll also be using the iPad Air for my hobbies, like drawing and photo editing. Now I'm really excited to start using the iPad Air for my daily activities, bringing it to school, taking notes, drawing, and using it as a second monitor for my MacBook Pro. Now with so much power in the M1 chip, but in the form factor of a medium-sized textbook, how can you go wrong? Now definitely stay tuned for a more comprehensive review on the iPad Air Gen 5 as I put it through its paces. Thanks for watching.